Terry. This is Ronald. Ronald! This is Terry. He's going to be doing your stunt for you.
Oh, right? Hello there, Terry. How are you? It's off a goodie, by the way, because I've got a terrible bad back. Always had bad trouble in my back, you know.
Right. Okay, right. Your starting position is down behind the bar, Ronald.
Right.
Terry comes running in. There's 2 shots fired at him. He leaps
bang.
over the bar.
Right.
And then you pop up and pop off 2 rounds, all right? Right. We'll have a bash at this then. First positions, please. We can still see your hat, Ronald.
Sorry.
And action!
Oh, Terry, that was an awful bang you took there.
Cut! What's going on?
I'm just saying that's an awful clatter Terry's took there. What a bang.
He's a stuntman. That's his job, Ronald.
All right. Well,
we'll reset and we'll go again.
Want to go again? It's loud, that, isn't it?
First position, please. Right, take 2 and action. Put that bloody gun down.
Jesus, that's off its head, that thing. I didn't realise it was going like that.
Ronald, please wait for Terry to get down out of vision behind the bar before you come up.
Aye, I know. I realise that now. Because if they see the 2 of us there at the same time, that makes the picture rubbish. I know that. But just, I didn't realise it.
You all right? You want a glass of water?
Oh, I'm all right, thanks. We could try it again.
Right, we'll reset and we'll go again.
You all right?
First positions, please. Right, take 3 and... Hat, Ronald, hat. Take 3 and... Action! Ow!
And I've stood in poor Terry's fingers. You all right there, Terry?
First positions!
Sorry about that. I mean, it's just...
Terry!
Oh. What was it? Was it a thumb? You don't know what you're doing. I mean, that's the 3rd or 4th time. What are you whispering about?
Okay. Right, let's go again.
Right, so you're wanting me down.
Yes, that's right. Down behind the bar and out of shot.
Right, just like before. Right.
Take 4 and action. Cut. That was absolutely marvellous. We'll print that. Lunch.
Who's messed that up? It's me that time. Hello?
The killer stood above her bashed and broken body, searching for a glimmer of light. When he reached down and touched her shoulder, he felt her. Gonna no day that.
How?
Just gonna know.
Good morning and welcome to Fast Buzz Pager Service. Please leave a short message. Okay. Did you say but? Right. Yes, royal. Okay. And, sorry, was that sin? Right. End of message? Right, your message reads, Tam Sharkey's Doug, bit oor Alison, she had to go to the royal for a jag. It was a sin, so it was. Message has been sent, thank you.
Wink. 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 Good guy. Wink. Wank! Wank! Wank!
Well, thanks for coming down. I can't give you an answer today. We've got some more candidates to see.
No problem.
You sure you're all right?
Mm-hmm.
Are you ready?
Yes.
Well, I'm very impressed.
Well, could I ask then when I'm likely to hear?
I wouldn't worry about that. You're the best candidate so far. So, if Monday's all right, we'll see you then.
That's terrific. I mean, I just can't believe my luck. I mean, that's brilliant. That's the best news I've had for ages.
Now let's look at the main points again. Interpreting for the Neds, Grab McGlinchey.
All right, troops.
The government today announced their delight at the success of their new scheme to crack down on the illegal claiming of social security benefit.
Illegal claiming. See the song and dance and that she's put you through to get your gyro now, it's hardly worth bothering. Oh, by the way, McGlinchey's no my signing on name. No. Nothing.
It emerged that one particularly brave informant in the Strathclyde region had tipped off the authorities on scores of dishonest claimants as part of the Rat on a Rat initiative.
Oh, aye, supergrass, right? He stuck in my cousin Alec for one wee decorating job, right? My cousin's got an orphanage plate with 7 wains, 2 ex-wives, 2 birds. This twonk even done my neighbour's granny, right, for winning a bingo but still drawing her pension. You know, it's sick, innit, man? Sick.
As well as receiving a considerable financial reward, the informant has since been relocated to an undisclosed address.
324 Arcadia Avenue, Bishop Briggs. It's a wee 1-bedroom just above the bookies. See how the supergrass likes being snooped on now.
Good night.
324 Arcadia Avenue. She's up there, eh?
Dumping ground. Flushed, I fished for the lavatory handle, thus to sweep away all traces of his all-too-human movement. But the chain pulls in vain. I cannot exorcise his excrement. The king's throne remains soiled. The stench, the horror of a stoic stool stuck to the porcelain by invisible man adhesive. An evil calling card freshly coiled each morning. His heart is closed, but the lid remains ever open.
Oh, wank. Wank. Good guy. I don't think you know what you're getting into, Frankie boy.
Oh, Johnny boy. I think I do.
Did you want to see me, laddie?
Oh, Ken, yes. Yeah, I did. Come in, sit down.
He's nice. Who gave you that?
Oh, accounts gave me that. It's to wet the baby's head.
So?
Oh, so I'll get to the point. It's about the drinking, Ken. I mean, we're both adults. And you are a valued employee of the company.
Thank you, laddie. I appreciate that.
Yeah, but I'm just finding it more and more difficult to explain the absences, that's all.
I'm trying, laddie. I have a lot of problems at home.
You know, Ken, you and I go back a long way.
We sure do. We sure do.
I think we can keep personnel out of this. You have to make me a promise. I want you to do make contact with this guy. Okay. Word has it that you're a gross, Frankie.
Was that the word on me right enough, Johnny?
What have you got in your pieces?
Cocoa Pops.
You must still on holiday then?
Aye.
You're gonna have to keep your head down, Frankie.
I'll hold my head high, Johnny. For I've done nothing.
Hello? Casino? No, is it? Yes. Yes, this is the casino. I'm a croupier. That's right, I work in all the big casinos. It's dead glamorous. And the people and the gambling and the money and the people and tables. Yes, we've got 21s. And I've got loads and loads of croupier pals, and they come round all the time for a cup of tea and a wee gab and a fruit corner, and we drink champagne as well. We do. Why don't you just come round? It's no bother. You can come round today. The casino's in Keppoch Hill Road. Well, you see, it's a secret place because it's so glamorous. And all you need to do is cut through the newsagents at number 127. And hello? Hello?
You've got Guinness on your moustache, Frankie.
Guinness is a Johnny.
Aye, Guinness, Frankie.
Is that me?
That's you, Frankie.
Yes, I'll get on that right away.
The lines are now open, offering you the chance to call the big man to sort out any personal hassle or indeed beefs you may have with your friends or neighbours. So, did you have a good holiday, big man?
I'll bust you, you cheese merchant. Not the small talk. Who's the first caller?
It's Johnny for Royston.
For Royston? I know that voice. You on a Big Danny's team?
So what farm?
So what farm? You listen to me, Johnny boy. I'll shove my boot that far up your arse, people will be thinking Doc Martin started making hats. See if you're looking for advice, pal, don't go walking your dog in a spare ground after dark, eh? Quick push of the old 1471 and you're a dead bag of meat. Next caller.
Hello, big man. I like a strongian like you.
Flattery's like pushing the pool to the big man. What's your problem, Doc?
This bint next door called me a bitch because I was blasting Daddy O.G. out at 3 in the morning, but it was a party.
Oh, I see next door calls you a bitch and you're talking to me on the phone. She'd be flying in amongst her with a claw end of a hammer.
The thing is, big man, her boyfriend's a gangster. Davy something for Duke Street.
Davy for Duke Street? A gangster? That wee dick thinks he's a gangster. Davy, see if you're watching, mate. I'm going to make my wee boy a brand new saddle for his bike out of your arse cheeks. Listen to me, Davy, sweetheart. You scalp into that bun. And see if this Davy rears his head. You can phone the big man on his mobile. Stay the line, I'll give you a number after the show. The big man will see you all right, and then we'll go jigging on Big Davy's stupid face, eh?
Thanks for that, big man. And tell me, when it comes to the dancing, are you a waltz or a rave man?
How many times have you to be told? Drop that patter, or a headline at 6 is going to be all about your chibbing.
Good afternoon.
Brenda, you bastard.
London, Paris, New York, Rome. It's fine to go travelling, but you gotta come home. Don't look for love around the world. There's only one place to take your girl. It's the backstairs lobby, backstairs lobby. Get her in the bunker, get her in the bunker. Backstairs lobby, backstairs lobby. Watch those undies disassemble. Down in the lobby for a quick knee tremble. Backstairs lobby, backstairs lobby. Get her in the bunker. Get her in the bunker, backstairs lobby, backstairs lobby, backstairs lobby.
Excuse me, Ken?
Yes? What can I do for you?
I'm just wondering if you had last month's reports.
Hold on, Diane. I've got them right here. Hold on. It's funny.
I'll come back later.
That's us now, missus, you know. We're only too sure about the colour, but once it's up, you know.
Once it's up, it's very, very nice.
Aye.
A 350 IV and a 6 DDN. We'll get his leg in traction. We'll pump in a 56 UFR.
Dr. Higgins!
In case it's cranial, I want X-rays as well as an ECG.
Right, that's it. What is it? You're pushing your end too quickly. The bottom of that thing keeps banging into my legs.
I beg your pardon?
That wheel thing, it keeps clattering into my ankles.
Right, well, you push, I'll pull.
Right, good.
Let's get this patient into surgery.
Sore, innit?
No!
Sport socks! Hell, your sport socks! £2 for £1! £2 for £1!
Mr. Gallagher,
Who's asking?
I've come for a job interview.
Oh, right. Sorry, pal. Right. I'm through to the office. Gary! Right, so, what attracted you to the post, like?
Well, I have always wanted to work in retail, and I've always liked working outdoors.
Okay. Now, the business is expanding and we're needing a new associate, you see. The post has two elements, that is security and sales. Got a wee test here that I'm giving all the candidates. Just read out that top line there.
Air your sports socks, £2 for £1, £2 for £1.
Okay. Now, you will also need to cover for me in the sales department when I'm out on the rob. At the suppliers. So this next part's more concerned with the security aspect. If you could just read out that next bit there.
Oh, AJ!
And how would you proceed if the relevant authorities made one too many inquiries?
Well, I would set fire to the gear, merchandise, and pop it in a handy skip. I believe such facilities are located on Glassford Street and Willow Street.
I don't see any reason to keep you hanging on, Mr.
Stan. Mad Stan.
Looks like you got the job. Oh, just one more question for Lorraine Records. What's your national insurance number?
No got one.
Welcome aboard!
Dave, this month's wages.
Cheers.
Aye, that's him away, aye, Tenerife. Well, I couldn't go, could I? Because I've got one of the old red passports and Derek's got one of the new blue ones. And I couldn't get one of the new ones anyway. Derek was trying to get me one. He was queuing up outside the passport shop all day on Monday, but he said they were sold out. And anyway, I couldn't go into the photo booth to get my photo taken for it, because Derek says because my teeth are all filling with magnets in it, I would have broke the machine. And that would have cost me £1,000. I'd have had to pay the arcade. And I don't have £1,000. Well, no, anyway, because Derek gave all the money to his brother Ian to look after. Aye, Ian's away to Tenerife as well. I don't know how he could afford that. Anyway, Derek says he's going to bring me back 2,000 consulate. Imagine that, him away on holiday and wasting all his money and fags for me. Oh, I better go, Mum, that's the doorbell. Aye, that's the bailiffs here to repossess the beanbag. All right, bye.
Two cappuccinos, mate. It's £1.80.
The cast of the musical Oh What a Song arrived in Edinburgh today. They are Tommy Steele, Bonnie Langford, Paul Nicholas, Linda Nolan and Tom Baker.
Captain! I just got a distress call from the good ship Kipperminge. Her hull's been gobbled by the squall.
The Kipperminge! Can't she call for her sister vessel, the Sticky Clinker?
The Sticky Clinker's moved at Velt's Cove, sir.
Blast! What's the Kipperminge's position?
2 degrees west of Dry Ride Rock.
Oh, drat! We can't risk it! We'd break up in the Dover wash!
But the Kipperminge is taking on water, sir. The butt plugs are taking it, and it's seeping through to the muff deck.
Oh, damn it! Radio Captain K-Lad aboard the Jolly Down funnel. He can bail her out over Slag Gully.
Aye, aye, sir.
Right, rev up a bit, mate.
When you want it back for me?
You're getting a bit of smoke up the back here.
See when you're braking, is it pulling to the left or pulling to the right?
Barry,
What?
mate, you see this? Do you make of that, man?
That's humped. You're going to have to leave it ways, mate. You want to go get yourself a rolled sausage or a cup of tea or something?
The snack bar up there, mate.
There's that young thing again there, Jack.
Yeah.
Coming towards us. Don't look now.
Oh, aye. Every day, regular as clockwork. She's lovely, horse.
Why don't you say something to her?
I don't like.
Come on, you're aye on about her. Today's the day. Man or mouse, Jack.
I'd love to, but I don't think it.
Go on.
Hello there, sweetheart.
Get lost.
Pardon?
Shut up.
Busted. She wouldn't piss on you if you were on fire.
Shut up.
Now, son, this is very, very difficult for me to explain. I'm not sure you're old enough to understand, but... Well, you see, your mother and me... Well, lately we haven't been getting on very well. In fact, we're only really staying together for your benefit, to give you, well, as normal an upbringing as possible, you know? But a few months ago, I met another woman. We love each other very much. She's very, very special to me, son. We're hoping to live together. Now, I know this is very difficult for you to understand, but despite the fact that your mum loves me and, well, I love her, we're going to get a divorce.
Hello, son. Hello, Frank.
Hello, Maureen, love.
I'll just put these things away.
Keep that to yourself, son. I haven't told her yet.
Well, this is your courtesy car, sir. You can give us a phone on Tuesday about your, Benetton, was it?
Yes, Benetton.
You familiar with the controls in the metro, sir? Some indicators there. Hazard one. Charming.
Odd job, eh? You shouldn't work for Goldfinger. You should work for Blofeld. Then you'd be blowjob. Nothing. Here's that.
All right, keep them moist and right off you go. Let's see, on you got your lace where you be walking about the foot. Me and you push him on, me and you push him on, Stan. You take it easy, don't fight with your brother, you'll be told about that.
Easy, easy.
Is that you?
Leave me!
You all right?
Get me a single nugget in a seat. Kenny, you nearly finished?
Nearly finished?